Ngugi gutuka sewodi ya Kebonyoru ebunge ya Burabu nigo yabwatete umuriro abo umugoroba gugukira rituko rya rero cinga kyaborokigwa barenga samasaba mugoroba ekero umuriro yo cagete na gusamba ibintu bike byokurarira gakwene kiaya umobisa w'ikisemi Madam Claire Oyula nigatebire ekigya cagete umuriro yo tikeramanyekana buya abwase aene kiringa emirubiro y'ikisemi negenderete buya ase skuru iyo oyo mito Vincent Munda nale no roboti uru
ekero chiskuru chabere chikonekia okobwata omuriro ase chinsemo ao nigo emogoroba yabwo igoro enyumba y'oboraro y'abanyaruka ase skuru ya Nyangoge nero yanegetie egekora ekio Madam Claire Oyura n'omwabisa w'ekisemi ase sub county ya Nyamira North.
Yeah, I've come to school today following the fire incident that occurred yesterday at Nyangoge SDA Secondary School where 4 beds got burnt. There were no casualties. There was no fatality, and the boys assisted in putting out the fire, so it didn't extend. However, we have some few items that got burnt. Yeah, the team from school is still finding out more, after which a comprehensive report will be compiled on the extent of the damage, but it was controlled. And
okobwatera na kurasa abanyakenyoro abamura b'eskuru eyo nabo igabo bisakuru ensemelie kurigirira emibosukano kure kaunti Nyamira nigo barweta obokonyi bwabwango na gutoria ebinge kogendera koyia Cyrus Maugoto n'omunyakero gase bodi y'eskuru eyo nigo bairire chingaki eri gukwanira abana abo eri kwenekia obotereru ase chisemi.
Abanafunzi after this incident happened because of the unity of the school ntwarangeria abana gutaka kumanyanga mbonsi bali onde naro affected so far omwana tayonyorete engoma nonye neyamo nebintu byuka nandekeredo mwikuya mwana mbayo bara irororo
ekero abanyanyimbo bali bagutuka ebikore by'obusaria kuri nsemo yekerenyo bagendete gutuka ekigya cageti omuriro yo nigo bono eskuru ye gusaba gusirwa iri kugendereria emerobero y'ikisemi.
Yeah, currently the institution requires support, especially of mattresses that got burnt, the blankets, beddings generally, to enable the learners to settle. Yeah, the few girls whose items got burnt. So we are asking any well-wisher who can come in to support so that the learners can settle and continue with their studies. Yeah.
Ekenyore kega kia Nyangoge fraternity na area member parliament mwesimiwa osero gusaba witu nkulinga n'abana bao munakwa beru bumusaado munene. Also, we ask for your support, especially for this Nyangoge Secondary School.
Vincent Monda, Ensoko TV.